Hey, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you how to include your channel and video description. A good YouTube description can spike your audience's interest and result in longer watch times, better view counts, and even new subscribers. Plus, it can help with YouTube SEO, allowing YouTube's algorithm to understand your content and suggest it to new users, further boosting your YouTube stats. Writing these descriptions is an important part of your overall YouTube strategy. But how do you craft descriptions that work? Here are some of our favorite tips about how to fill in that YouTube description box. So here under are the basic tips what you have to do as a content creator. 1. Be specific. Your choice of keywords is important for both YouTube channel and video descriptions. The keywords in your descriptions will help YouTube's algorithm understand, categorize, and surface your content. The more specific the keywords are, the better. For example, for a video about writing descriptions for YouTube videos, internet video text will be a less useful keyword than YouTube video descriptions. 2. Do keyword research. Google Trends, for example, will help you understand if a keyword you're considering is trending. You can also use the tool to decide which keywords have a higher search volume. 3. Use searchable keywords. More and more people find YouTube videos through Google searches rather than through YouTube itself. Combine keywords based on YouTube and Google search trends to maximize your video's discoverability. To see how much potential a specific keyword has to show up in Google search results, simply Google it. If you notice YouTube videos at the top of the search results page, you're on the right track. 4. Know how to use keywords. Once you've identified your keywords, it pays to know how to include them in your description's text. Aim to use 2 or 3 related keywords in each channel and video description. For videos, the main keyword should also appear in the title. Repeat each keyword 2 to 3 times in the description to make them stand out to YouTube's algorithm. But avoid repeating the keywords too often, or you risk being penalized for keyword stuffing. 5. Know where to use your keywords. Your primary keywords should appear at least once in the first 3 sentences of your description, or above the fold, aka the Show More button. YouTube's algorithm, and viewers, pay the most attention to this part of the description, so don't wait until the end to say what your video or channel is about. 6. Track which keywords work for you. Once you've started writing keyword-driven YouTube descriptions, you can use YouTube Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from. 7. Find out what else your audience is watching. As of 2021, more YouTube traffic comes from appearing as a suggested video than from the search bar. Your video's description is part of how YouTube's algorithm figures out what it's about. This means that the description plays a vital role in determining where your video gets suggested. Take advantage of this by using YouTube Analytics to find out what other videos your audience is watching. You can then use similar language in your descriptions to reinforce these connections and appear as a suggested video more often. 8. Offer value. Always include an obvious value proposition in your descriptions. 9. Include important information above the fold for better CTR. The first 100 to 150 characters of your video description is the part that will appear in search results and right under your video, above the Show More button. That means it's the most important part for reaching potential viewers and improving your click-through rates, CTR. 10. Avoid clickbait. If you misrepresent your videos, viewers will stop watching them partway through. This damages your search rankings, as well as your reputation. Avoid clickbait video titles and irrelevant keywords. They might help you rank at first, but YouTube's search algorithm will catch on sooner or later. 11. Include a call to action. Now you've got the viewer's attention, use it. Add a call to action in both your video and channel description. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or read more. The best calls to action are easy to read, urgent, and show an obvious benefit to the viewer. They can increase engagement, subscriptions, and more. 12. Write like a human. Remember, you're not just writing for YouTube's algorithm. You're writing for human beings too. In fact, YouTube penalizes descriptions that are just lists of SEO-optimized keywords. Use language that your viewers will understand and relate to. An authentic brand voice will encourage the user engagement that gets your videos seen. 13. Don't stress about video tags. Tags help direct viewers to videos about hard-to-spell content. But they're also one place you don't need to worry about when planning your keywords. According to YouTube, tags play a minimal role in discovery. In fact, excessive tagging can run afoul of YouTube's spam detection. Don't ignore tags completely, though. They do help the YouTube algorithm place your video in the suggested videos section. 14. Organize your video with timestamps. Humans and algorithms both love videos with timestamps. Timestamps act as a table of contents, allowing users to navigate your content and skip to different parts of the video hassle-free. Timestamps make videos more user-friendly for human viewers. This can increase watch times, pushing up your video's ranking. They're also indexed for Google's mobile searches. Use keywords to describe your timestamps and take advantage of this new way to get your video surfaced in Google. 15. Know how to put links in YouTube descriptions. Relevant links in your descriptions are a great way to leverage a YouTube view into continued engagement. For both channel and video descriptions, you can add links to your social media presence or online store. In your video descriptions, linking to your channel and related videos helps viewers find your content. Don't forget to include the http:// or https:// at the beginning of the address. Otherwise, the link won't work. It's usually best to put your links at the end of your description. There are more important things to put at the beginning. 16. Save time with default descriptions. Using YouTube's default description settings saves time when you have information you want to add to all your video descriptions, such as social media links. This feature automatically adds key channel information to every video you upload. Just don't forget to fill out the rest of the description. A unique description is important for your video's discoverability. 17. Test descriptions on multiple devices. YouTube might not be the video streaming service we most associate with TV sets. However, recent YouTube viewership statistics show that 34.4% of video views were on a TV, up from 27% in 2019. Make sure your YouTube descriptions get their message across regardless of screen size. Preview your videos on the watch page and in the search results, using as many devices and browsers as possible. Thank you for watching, and make sure to consider like and subscribe because it motivates me to provide you a better quality product. And see you in the next video.